guys! Welcome to another vlog. So today, i-unbox natin yung binili ko na table from Geode.ph. I don't know kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko, pero ilalagay ko yung link na dito tsaka sa description box. So para pag gusto nyo ring mag-order, message nyo lang sila. Ang bait ng owner, na-meet ko sila kahapon. And he's super nice. Yung husband yung na-meet namin. Tapos yung wife din niya, super nice din sumagot sa Instagram page nila. So I'm with Kyle. Hey! Hi guys! Say hi guys!
Hi guys.
Today,
Today,
we will unbox the table. Game. Kyle and I will vlog today kasi busy si Ate Kisha. This is the table. Ito yung kinuha namin from Pampanga. Kaya kami napunta sa Pampanga because of this, itong table na to. And syempre, para i-celebrate naman yung birthday ni Daisy sa Clark Safari and Adventure Park. Ayan siya. So, ito na ang ating table. Ito yung name nila, oh. Geode. O, baka mali yung basa ko. Resin Arts. So nice. So, Ate Kisha is here. So, join ka muna, ate. Come here.
Is this for me?
No, it's for all of us. Just a little background. Matagal na ako naghahanap ng center table. So, naghahanap ako sa mga Mandawe, sa All Home, sa Facebook Marketplace, sa Shopee, sa lahat. Kung saan ako makakakita ng gusto ko talaga na center table. Nag-check din ako sa IKEA. Pero hindi ko type yung mga table na nandun. Gusto ko kasi something different, something unique, something bagay dun sa theme na gusto ko na gold and white para sa house. And then, nakita ko sa ads sa Instagram, may ads sila sa Instagram nila, and nakita ko tong table na to. So, nag-ask ako kung how much, ganyan-ganyan, pati yung size, pino-customize ko siya. By the way guys, yung design nila, parang unique yun for you. So, parang kahit ipagaya mo yung certain design, hindi siya magiging completely the same kasi nga it's made of resin. So, in order ko to, 2 to 3 weeks yung lead time bago ko siya nakuha. And ito na nga siya. So, i-unbox na natin.
What's the brand?
Geode. Hindi ko nga alam kung tama. Hindi ko siya natanong kung tama ba yung kung paano yung basa. So, ito na nga yung something different na nakita ko. According dun sa pinag-orderan ko, parang sila pa lang daw yung first na gumagawa nito. So, before, parang hobby lang siya. And then, nag-pandemic, naisip nilang gawing business. Ang galing, di ba? Nakaka-inspire.
Is that the one you showed me like the other day? Parang
Yeah, yun was one. So, ay, ito na yung kanya, guys. Made of metal pala yung resin.
Did you expect it to be resin?
Ha?
Did you expect
Hindi, akala ko wood. Akala ko made of wood yung legs. So, made of metal yung legs niya. Tatlo lang yung legs.
Wala.
Yeah, kasi yung size niya, it's a different, parang medyo oblong na hindi perfect yung pagka-oblong niya. Ito siya. So, sana matapos si Daddy sa ginagawa niya para ikabit niya to. This is it. Pwede natin this one.
Ganda ba yun talaga? Parang pa-slant siya.
Yeah.
Like parang pa-slant yung legs niya. So like, ganyan siya oh.
Sana maganda. Pahiga mo na naman ko.
Baliktad! Big reveal!
Ito na siya.
Oh my god!
Medyo may pintura siya.
Wow! It's so nice! Here's how it looks like, guys! Oh my god!
Asan si Daddy?
Dance!
Tanggalin natin siya. Remove mo na din. Ang gaan lang pala, guys. Magaan lang pala siya. Kaya mo siyang buhatin. Wait. Uy, ang ganda! Slowly. Ano siya?
The sparkles are so pretty. I see people who make resin sa TikTok. Nilalagyan pa nila ito ng mga flowers sa loob. Tapos tumitigas siya.
Pwede nga tayong bumili ng resin sa Lazada. Tapos gawa nga ng mga coaster.
Combs. The sparkle. There's like glitters sa loob.
Wow, ayan na siya. Super nice. Do you like it, Kyle?
Yes.
I love it.
So here's Daddy. He's assembling it. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Wow, you're helping Daddy.
Mm-mm.
Do that. So at the bottom, there's like, 4 holes. Tapos, tatlong legs. So, 4 for this leg, 4 for the others. Like that. And the legs are like slanted. Parang, it's like, it like has a design. Happy? Happy.
What?
Kyle is helping Daddy. Very helpful yan si Kyle. Si ate, so what is a resin?
In polymer chemistry and material science, resin is a solid or highly viscous substance of plant or synthetic origin that is typically converted into polymers. Resins are actually mixtures of organic compounds. Plants secrete resins for their protective benefits in response to injury.
So in layman's term,
Who's layman? Layman's term.
okay, Daddy. What's the meaning?
It's just a very sticky substance. Tapos it can heal injuries. That's what I got.
So here's our table. Ayan na siya. Nakakabit na yung legs niya. And what can you say, ate?
It's really pretty.
It's nice, no? It's
Pero
different.
like may dent siya, oh.
Hindi, ganyan talaga yung resin. Nagkakaroon ng mga ganyan.
Really? Resin expert? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I like the sparkles.
Ako din. Ito yung gusto ko. Itong sparkle. Ang ine-expect ko, meron din ditong isang part pa na may gold.
Gusto ko, Mommy, sa room ko may parang resin something din. Can you buy me a resin set?
Here's the final look. Pinatong ko muna yung decor na nabili ko sa dapitan. And ayan siya. Ang cute niya. Ito yung mga chow pillow covers na nabili ko from Facebook Marketplace. Pero may store sila sa Shopee. Ililink ko sa description box. Pati ayan. Tapos ito, old decor ko yan sa SM. May stretch yan. Tumatangkad siya. And ang ating Christmas tree. So, ayan ang kanyang final look. Kulang na lang ng carpet. Pero next time na kasi medyo expensive din yung carpet. Tapos yung curtain namin, sa Shopee ko lang din yan binili. Ililink ko sa description box. Ayan siya, super nice. Got Kyle this Colgate electronic toothbrush. Minion yung design niya, so let's give it to him. Kyle, this is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
Yes.
You smile. One more smile. Oh, you brush your teeth, ah? Okay?
Open.
You let Yaya open it. And I also got here other Colgate Palmolive products. So, ito ang toothpaste, Colgate, antibacterial, body wash ata, or hand wash. Check natin. Open ko na lang lahat.
The next day.
We have a visitor today. Nandito si Lola. Hi, Lola.
Hi.
You say hi to the vlog.
Ano?
Say mo hi.
Hi! Uuwi na kami. Gabi na.
Visitor. Nandito si Pearl.
Sleepy.
Hi.
Ayan.
Si Tisha. Sleepy.
Dito po
Eh,
sila.
si Smiley.
Tulog!
Tulog nga eh.
One eternity later.
So that's where he's gonna get a haircut. The kids salon.
Kyle will have his haircut again. Hi, Pupuyat ka ka, dito lang.
Careful.
Don't move.
Careful, Kyle. Don't move. Oh my God.
Pakita mo naman ako.
Gusto mo may cred.
Dapat mo. Kailangan matulungan.
Oh my God.
Sige po.
Bakit ko hindi nakaumba? Uy, nakita.
Ayusin na ang voice. Ate si Daddy. Daddy, look!
Kaplika. Wow, beep beep. Wow. Wow. What's up? Naka-Billie Eilish si Daddy ngayon. Naka-Billie Eilish. Hi, hi. Do you like your hair? We're going up, guys. We just left the barber shop. And Mommy, what are we gonna do? We're gonna buy Kyle shoes because we're gonna take our photo for our Christmas pictures. First time ni Kyle mag-mall after a long time. A phone! Wow! So Kyle is shopping for rubber shoes and for sandals. So Kyle, what color of shoes do you want? What color? Mimi? What's that? Mickey. Mickey Mouse shoes. You want?
What? Pupil.
So we're just bringing a lot of shoes here. Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Same,
Sabihin na lang yes.
same color as Spider-Man.
Sabihin na lang yes.
Yes, yes.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Ano ko yan?
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Ito, this one.
Dapat malaki yung ganito.
Shopping for Kyle's shoes. Wow. Daddy, what's Kyle's size?
Ito 31 to. Pero kay Kyle, kahit 30 lang sana okay na.
Tingin tayo doon yung sa sapatos.
Okay, so Kyle already picked out like 2 sandals and 2 rubber shoes. One black and the other one, one white and the other one is white and black. The one he's wearing now. Yay! We're gonna go up. Wow! No! You're so small.
Picture mo. Cute. Ang sipag ni Kyle. Gusto niya siya lang yung part niya. Push. Wow. Gusto niya silang magpupush.